Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I want to show you guys lunch that I did yesterday. It's super simple and it's actually my husband's favorite lunch, and it is chicken pasta salad. I know maybe a lot of you already know how to do this or have your own little recipe, but this is how I do it. So I want to show you guys how we do it here in our house. It's super duper simple, and I'm gonna show you a way to do it where it could be actually very, very healthy. It only has a few ingredients and the steps are very simple, so you can get this done in no time. I usually have these ingredients in my house just in case I forgot to plan something for lunch or have to do a quick meal. I could just put all these things together and have a yummy meal in no time. All right, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So that is about it. You see, super simple, and I give you guys some options there on how to make it very healthy. So for example, instead of the mayo, you could put Greek yogurt, like plain Greek yogurt, and I also used a gluten-free brown rice pasta to make it healthier as well. So it's healthy, it's quick. You have your protein, which is a chicken, you have the pasta, which is your carbs, you have your veggies, which is your corn, and you have some good flavors because we added some lime and cilantro. Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys try this yourself or what your pasta salad recipe is, so maybe I can try it out. Alright, stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.